Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to go over how to make avocado toast. So I've pulled out all the ingredients already. We'll need one slice of sourdough bread, one avocado, one soft-boiled egg sliced in half, some mixed medley cherry tomatoes, organic pomegranate seeds, some salt and pepper, and fig glaze with balsamic vinegar. The first step is to toast the bread, so I'm going to throw our slice of sourdough bread in the toaster and I'm going to toast it for about 3 minutes. Now, while the bread is in the toaster, I'm going to slice the avocado in half, and I wanted to add that it is very important that we use a ripe avocado. This is going to give us the perfect texture and taste that we want to have in avocado toast. After slicing the avocado in half, I'm going to squeeze the avocado out into a mixing bowl. We're not going to use the avocado seed for our avocado toast, so I'm going to take that out of the mixing bowl. The next step is to mash up the avocado just like you would for guacamole. I pulled the sourdough bread out of the toaster, and now I'm going to cover it with the mashed avocado. Now that we've added the mashed avocado to the toasted sourdough bread, I'm going to start adding some of the sliced cherry tomatoes on top of the avocado. Then I'm going to place the 2 slices of the soft-boiled egg on top of the avocado toast. Next, I'm going to sprinkle some of the organic pomegranate seeds on top of everything that we've already added to the avocado toast. Now I'm going to drizzle some of the fig glaze with balsamic vinegar over everything. Finally, I'm going to add just a little bit of salt and pepper for taste. Now we're finished with the avocado toast, and it is ready to eat.